welcome to my channel, and I'm reviewing the PGYTECH Caplock extension pole mini tripod. So I picked this up from Amazon UK for £34.99. What do you get with the extension pole? That's what I'm going to call it because the name is so long. Now what you get with the extension pole is you get the PGYTECH branded Caplock system on there. You do get a thumb screw. You also get the 1/4 inch screw thread adapter with it as well. You get the Allen key with it as well. Now, not shown, you also get the user manual as well. I'll go over the dimension and size and weight of this thing. Well, dimension and size is the same, but anyway, first of all, it's the length. With the Caplock system on the top with no camera, it's about 7 inches when closed down. It has a width of about 1 inch when you close up the legs. It is made of an aluminium and plastic construction with a nice kind of rubbery text feeling and a nice grip on there. I have to say, in the hand, it does feel well made. So extended out, measuring from the top of the actual Caplock system with the GoPro fingers on to the very bottom of the pole itself, it measures 18 inches. Now, you know me on this channel now, when it comes to tripod selfie sticks such as this or action poles, I tend to not measure this because you place the camera on there and that. I go by the true meaning, the true length of the actual extension bit itself. Now, from the bottom of the mounting system on here, which I'll come to also what else this can mount. From the bottom of the mounting system here at the top to the top of the handle here, stroke feet, legs, that true extension width is about 11 inches on the bottom. And it does extend out into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Each section, as you can see, it is aluminium. This is all aluminium. And on each section has a plastic collar on there with studs on either side with a groove at the front, which may be hard to pick up, but it has a groove at the front and a groove at the back. And that gives it more strength and stability when extending it out. Now, as I stated earlier on in my video, this has the Caplock system on there. PGYTECH, another version of this without the Caplock system on there. I know they have because I've seen it on other people's videos, but on the English Amazon website, you can't find the other version at present when I done this video. But there is another version without the Caplock system on there. But going back to the Caplock system, you've got the Caplock system on the top here. And as I says, you get the GoPro fingers and you also get the 1/4 inch screw thread adapter that can fit on here. Now, to remove, in case you haven't come across the Caplock system, to remove or use the Caplock system, not this part, but to remove the adapters at the top, and you want to switch it out, you simply, at the back of the Caplock system, you can see that there is a small, I would say, switch here, which has at the very top, it has a closed padlock, and at the bottom, it has an open padlock. So what you do is from the close, so if you want to release it, you simply turn the switch down. And once you do that, you turn the switch down to the open padlock on there. You simply press down on the switch because the switch does act when turned down, does act as a button press. So when you press that, that now releases the adapter at the top and it just simply slides out. Then now you can put your other adapter on there, which is the 1/4 inch screw thread. And I'm just going to bring it close to my microphone because one thing I do like about with this system, when you change adapters, you get a satisfying click that it's in place. So here we go. That's it. Did you hear that? you get a satisfying click. Well, it's 2 clicks. The first click tells you that you've lined up properly as you're sliding it, and the second click, it tells you basically that you're locked into place. Now, to simply prevent your item from slipping out, even though it's locked into place, you turn back the switch back to the up position, and now that does not come out. As I stated before, you do get 2 adapters. You get the 1/4" screw thread adapter with an hexagonal or Allen key recess in there, which you do get the Allen key here with it, so you can tighten your camera if it has a 1/4" screw thread. Now, as for payload, what it can take up to, it can take up to 1 kilogram in weight when the legs are spread out and on the extension pole itself. Basically up to your point and shoot camera, and mirrorless, small mirrorless cameras can go on here. Now, with the other adapter, which I said that you get the GoPro finger style adapter, on the bottom, it has a 1/4" screw thread, female 1/4" screw thread on there. And that means that this adapter can be also used with your regular action poles or selfie sticks that have a 1/4" screw thread. Coming down from the Caplock system here, we have a metal ball head, which is adjustable with this screw at the side here. So you simply turn this screw or knob. So there is some resistance when turning this ball head, which is quite good. Shows the quality build of this item. A 90-degree kind of cutout here, so you can go place at 90 degrees. And also you can turn it 360 in the ball head. Once you've made your adjustment, you simply tighten the screw here and it is now fixed. Now, also on the other side where the screw is, on the opposite side here, we do have a mount for lights or a microphone. This is how the PGYTECH looks when it's fully extended with the handle legs spread out. The pole here does come down, and you can use that pole as a 4th leg for stability, and I suggest that I would do that. I wouldn't raise this pole all the way from the center. You can do that, and there is a stopper on there to stop it from going right through. So if I push that down, push the legs down, the stopper is around here like a ring, and that stops the pole from going all the way through. If I do that and place it down now, as you can see, my hand can go straight underneath. These legs then, even with this action camera on there, they're a little bit, have some give in it. Beware of that. It's not as bad as some that I've come across where this is really flimsy when the legs are out. But if you're going to use a heavier camera, such like a mirrorless camera, bear that in mind. I would personally keep the center column or pole down. So that is now acting as here, now acting as a 4th leg. So on the bottom of these legs here, we do have a diamond pattern on these legs here to give these legs more strength. And also we have these rubber feet as well on the legs, and to give it some grip, and they are quite grippy. Each leg has, I would say, a tongue or lock on each leg with a groove on either legs. So when you close this down, do you hear that? They snap into place and hold. This is my 2p worth of the PGYTECH Caplock extension mini pole and tripod, and I managed to get that in one go. If you're looking for a premium mini selfie stick tripod, especially for vlogging and for travel, you can't go wrong with this. I know it does come with a high price tag of £34.99, and that's in Amazon UK in England. A couple of good things about it is it does have an aluminium and ABS plastic construction with this nice rubber feeling handle on there, which in the hand does feel really good. When it's outstretched with your camera on there, and even with a small mirrorless camera on there, this extension rod does feel very sturdy and there's no give in it. which I do like. The screw here that releases the ball head at the top. There is some good, nice resistance in this ball head. At the moment, that's fully released, that screw head, that screw. And look, the ball head, as I'm shaking this, is not even moving. That's what I love about with this particular selfie stick tripod. Now, as for the cap lock system on here, I personally do like the cap lock system on here. On there, you do get a cold shoe where you can place a microphone or a light on there. If you want to get additional cap lock systems on there, additional, I'd say, adapters on there, you can get them from PGYTECH. You also can get them from AliExpress. Now, PGYTECH does have a store on AliExpress, and I found that it is cheaper to buy the different adapters on that store on AliExpress. It's cheaper to buy. You may have to wait, obviously, longer to get them. They're cheaper than eBay because you can get these on eBay as well, the adapters, either one on there. Even cheaper than Amazon, I have to say. The PGYTECH Caplock extension pole mini tripod. I got it all in one. Overall, if you're looking for something that's going to last, right, you want to take it on trips, whether domestic trips or abroad trips. Very light at 184 grams, and the whole entire thing is an aluminium and ABS plastic construction. You can't go wrong with this. Buying this, don't buy the cheap ones, the cheaper versions which are out there. I'd suggest just buy this one.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail to save you the trouble of when you buy the product, you know what to expect. So that's why my videos are long. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.